Question number 1. Which of the following is not a physical change? We have to keep in mind, not a physical change. Not. So, physical change means reversible change, which can be reversed. So, let's have a look on the options. Number A. Boiling of water to give water vapor. Yes, water vapor can be reversed to water again, so it is reversible. Melting of ice to give water. So melting of ice to give water, from water it can be reversed to ice again. Dissolution of salt in water. If you mix salt in water, it can be regained again. But number D, combustion of liquefied petroleum gas. When you burn petrol, it cannot be reversed. You will not get it anymore when you burn petrol. So option D is not a physical change. Option D is the correct option. Number 2. Which of the following statements about the given reaction is not correct? Again we have to keep in mind it is saying that not correct. So among these 4 options, which option is not correct? Find it out. Let's have a look on the reaction. When iron reacts with water, it gives iron oxide and hydrogen. Here water is losing oxygen. That's why water is a oxidizing agent, and iron is gaining oxygen. That's why it is reducing agent. So number C is not correct. A colorless gas that smells like burning sulfur and causes coughing is, option B is correct option, sulfur dioxide. It has very irritating pungent smell and it also causes coughing. Number 4. Barium chloride on reacting with ammonium sulfate forms barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Which of the following correctly represents the type of reaction involved? In this reaction, both these are getting displaced. That's why it is showing double displacement reaction. So option D is the correct option. Electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gases liberated during electrolysis of water is an electric current breaks down the water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gases. So, in order to balance, here the coefficient of H2 is 2 and O2 is 1. So, the mole will be 2:1. This is the correct option. So, option B is correct. Number 6. Which of the following are an endothermic processes? So endothermic process means in which heat is getting absorbed. It is a heat absorbing process. So number D is the correct option, evaporation of water. Number 7. Which of the following gases can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? So option D is the correct option, helium or nitrogen. These both are inert gases. Inert gases means very less reactive, so it can store oil for a longer period. Number 8. Which one of the following processes involve chemical reactions? Number A. Storing of oxygen gas under pressure in a gas cylinder. No. Liquefaction of air. No. Keeping petrol in a china dish in the open. No. Heating copper wire in presence of air at high temperature. Yes, option D is the correct option, because when we heat copper wire, it reacts with oxygen in the air to form copper oxide. So here chemical reaction is taking place. That's why option D is correct.